Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a Toyota Hilux key and more importantly how to replace the battery. Now this key is actually used on quite a lot of the Toyota range like the Kluger, the RAV4, the Hilux, the Prado. So if your key looks like this will be how to replace your battery. So relatively simple, all we're going to use is a flat screwdriver just in there by where the key ring goes. You'll be able to flick up this cover plate, which comes off nice and easy. And then what you'll notice is inside there's actually a round cover, and that cover says CR1620, which is actually your battery model number. Now all we've got to do is put a screwdriver in there and twist it out like that. It's not actually a turn cover, so you just twist it out and then that exposes our battery. So like I say, this is a Panasonic CR1620 battery, like it says on the cover, and all we're going to do is use a smaller screwdriver just to tuck it in there and actually push it towards the larger tabs. Your battery will now come out. Now notice the writing was facing upwards, and that's what our button cell looks like. So it's just a single button cell, and then to replace it, just push it in towards the larger tabs at the bottom. Get your round cover and then that just pushes straight back in, and then of course we've got our final cover that just goes straight on and it just clicks down, making sure it seals all the way around. And then of course try your key. As you can see, lights are flashing, my one is working. So if you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.